welcome. In this video we are going to learn how can you download and install Dev C++ IDE for your coding environment. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So to download the Dev C++ IDE, you just simply go to the Google and search for Dev C++ download, same as I have written, and hit the enter. As it's open, so you simply scroll down and you can see up to download a website link. Just simply click that website. So simply scroll down and here you can see there is a button download. Simply just click that button and instantly it will downloading your Dev C++ IDE. So as you click the button, it will download the Dev C++ application. So I will simply save it. So it's just 48 MB, so it will download within a few seconds as it's download. So next we will see its installation. Here's the downloading has been completed. I simply just open that my exe file and I simply double click that exe file or application. So as I click it, it will ask me the permission to install. So I simply click yes, and after that it will be downloading. It will ask the language. To select the language, you can select any of language, so I will continue with the English, so hit the OK. And after that there will be a license agreement. You can read it, but I simply agree that agreement and I will hit the button I agree and simply hit the next, and it will ask the installation location. You can install it default location or you can install whether you can by clicking the browse button. So I will continue with its default location and hit the install. After hitting the install button, it will install instantly. So here the installation is completed. I will simply finish. So this is the first time configuration when you install or download the first time Dev C++. Here you can see first time configuration. Simply it will ask your language. Simply I will go with the English and hit the next. And this is the theme. Simply go with the classic plus and icons with the new look and hit the next and hit the OK button. After that it will be started. So this is our home screen where you can write code. So from top left corner you just have to click file, and after file hit click new and source file, or you can create source file by clicking your keyboard from Ctrl+N, hit that, and here we can write our C or C++ code. For instance, I just write cout print statement, so I will write the code. So I just simply write a statement for cout. Please like this video. This will be our output. And after that, after writing the program, after write the code, we simply just have to run this file. Before running this file, we have to save first of all this file. For that, you can simply Ctrl+S from your keyboard, and here will be the pop-up. You can save this file as per your required name, but I simply just say hello. You can save it whatever you want, so I just simply hit the save button. And after saving that, we have to compile that program for our required output. That would be please like this video. This will be our output. So for that compilation, we just have to hit this button, or you can simply press F11 from your keyboard. I simply hit this button. You can see here on the top, so I hit this, and after hitting that there would be our output. That will be please like this video. So you can see this is our output, Dev C++ IDE. So this is all about the installation and download of Dev C++ for your coding environment. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more content and share with your friends, and I will see you next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring, and we are good to go.